Groups. Everybody's going to be out flying in the rain.
Yep. Tony's going to do some rain flying for us. Tony, what model is this anyway?
This is the Neil Davis Special.
The Neil Davis Special. Axie 22, what is it, 22/16/12, I think?
Mm-hmm.
That looks about right.
Sealed off the...
See, very wet runway.
Yeah, sealed off the...
Cow's been sealed with some tape. There you go.
Not getting any water in there.
Try to keep it off that AC motor. In the meantime, here's the beast. It's going to go out as soon as the rain stops. He's not even going to walk it out. He's going to taxi it out. You can see pretty clearly. It's very wet here.
It's so windy, man. I don't know if this plane's going to fly.
Oh, that wind's picking up.
Yeah, I don't know if this plane's going to fly.
We're going to find out.
Nice, dude.
Here we go. Downwind takeoff. How's the rain? Yeah, I know, it is pretty cold actually. Can you get it to stop in the headwind? You need to put flaps on it. Well, come fly it from back here. Wet landing. Oh man, that's killer wind. Do a clockwise circle. I want to see it fly into the wind. Yeah, that was on video. There's evidence of that. There you go. Into the lake.
Is that one on video?
Yep.
Good. You take two.